हमने आपकी इमेजिनेशन पे छोड़ दिया। आप हर एक सीन पर याद कर पा रहे होंगे वहाँ पे क्या शॉट चल रहा था। इतना ग्रैंड ये म्यूजिक वीडियो था। सो सबने इमेजिन किया वो शॉट, जब वो हाथी पे शॉट आता है, देन वॉकिंग। एवरीवन एंजॉयड? सो लेट्स टॉक, लेट्स एक बात करते हैं आप लोगों से, बिकॉज द मीडिया पर्सन आर हियर। आप लोग ज़्यादा देर चुप रह नहीं पाते हैं, सो आप लोगों को ही बोलने का मन होगा। अगर हम आपसे पूछें कि व्हाट वाज योर फेवरेट सीन इन द मूवी, एक एक करके हाथ खड़ा करेंगे। आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं मूवी के बारे में? अनु सर को क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? विल क्विकली हैव योर टेस्टिमोनियल्स। यस, कैन वी हैव द माइक? Please give the mic. Yes. What's your name?
Bhavna from Times Now.
Yes.
First of all, many congratulations, Allu Arjun sir. Many congratulations. This is our first benchmark you have set in the industry. It's a great, great achievement. Many congratulations on that. And I've been a big fan since Arya and all. I've seen all your movies. So, wanted to ask, what was the Jathara sequence was the most difficult one, as you said. What were the efforts and the most difficult sequence apart from that? And this time Pushpa is international, so I wanted to know who's that international actor that you want to act with?
Ma'am, actually no questions, just your testimonial or your favorite scene from the movie.
My favorite scene is Jathara sequence.
Yes, thank you so much. Big round of applause.
Both
Yes,
of them.
at the back. Yes, at the back. उनको एक बार माइक दे दो। जस्ट योर फेवरेट सीन, और आप मूवी के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
माय फेवरेट सीन वाज जब साड़ी पहन के अल्लू अर्जुन
Yes.
एक्शन करता है ना, दैट सीन वाज लाइक गूज बम्स। बहुत सही था वो सीन, बहुत अच्छा लगा था वहाँ पे आपका परफॉर्मेंस मुझे। दैट वाज
Thank you. What's your name?
यतिन।
Yatin, thank you so much, Yatin. Yes, person at the back.
हेलो हेलो
माइक छीन लिया उन्होंने आपके हाथ से। मुझे बोलना है।
आई एम योर बिग फैन, माय नेम इज सेजल। तो मेरे लिए तो पूरी मूवी ही एकदम, जहाँ पे अल्लू सर आए पूरी मूवी हिट है। हर एक सीन, हर एक फाइट सीक्वेंस, हर एक चीज़ सर का बहुत, मतलब हर एक सीन में वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। लास्ट सीन में जब सर रोते हैं, इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, आई लाइक दैट सीन। मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो गई थी वो सीन देख के।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Vicky from Spice. When you purchased the 1,100 crore rupees helicopter, that was the fabulous scene, I believe. Well done, sir. Well done, and God bless you, sir.
Thank you so much. We'll come back again. One mic at the back, please. ऐसे ही बोल दो यार, चिल्ला के। हेलो, इतने हट्टे कट्टे ऐसे चिल्ला के बोलो। लो, पूरा देख लिया मुड़ के यार।
सर, पापा बहन सब फिल्म देखने गए थे आपकी। द इंटरवल सीन मेरे पापा को इतना ज़्यादा मज़ा आया। इन द इंटरवल ही वॉज डिस्कसिंग फिल्म सीन विद मी। मतलब सर, ऐसा कभी भी किसी भी फिल्म में नहीं हुआ है। आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू थैंक यू कि आपकी वजह से उन्हें ये भरोसा हुआ है कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो सही है। मेरी पूरी फैमिली ने आपको लव भेजा है। हमने आपकी सारी फिल्में देखी हैं, आर्या, अलवायकुंठपुरमुलो, एवरी फिल्म। वी जस्ट लव यू सर। अभी मैं थोड़ा शेक कर रहा हूँ, बट आई जस्ट लव यू सर।
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You know, I recognized you from the clip because I saw it on my Instagram feed. Thank you. Yeah, I saw your feed. Yeah, you were on my feed.
Allu sir, even I want to share something.
Can you please once? It will be a dream come true. Can you?
Thank you. We'll do it later. Thank you so much. Please have your seat. Thank you. Thank you so much. सर, सबसे पहले तो एक बार आपसे भी मुझे वो चाहिए। एक बार झुकेगा नहीं साला। वन मोर माइक प्लीज। डू यू हैव? या सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? मतलब यू आर द बिगेस्ट स्टेक होल्डर एंड इस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स आया, व्हाट विल बी योर वर्ड्स?
want to thank all the exhibitors who came all the way here. And it's a great feat. And it's so touching when we hear the speeches of all the exhibitors.
So can you please little closer? Yeah.
Thank you, audience, entire India and worldwide, for making this huge success. And we are also wishing this to go to fastest 2000 also. Thank you.
सर एक बार पहले आप वो बोलो, फायर नहीं वाइल्ड फायर है, वन टाइम प्लीज.
Fire nahi, wildfire.
फायर है.
Thank you, and thank you one and all. Firstly, I want to thank all our cast and crew who really worked very hard to achieve this rarest feat. And also, I'm overwhelmed by seeing the response from the exhibitors. See, whenever we see the buyer or the exhibitor who exhibits our film in his respective theater, when we see them feeling very, very happy and proud, that's the moment where we feel very, very happy. Not, see, when it collects some X amount or Y amount, that is a different part. But by seeing the happiness in them, really we feel very, very happy. That is achieved with this film. We are very, very thankful to each and everyone, all the audiences across the world, from India, overseas, everywhere, all the Indians and all the, even some foreigners who can follow our language, Hindi and this thing, they are also watching in overseas. Thanks to each and everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर. सर अलू सर सामने हैं, उनकी डेडिकेशन एंड हार्ड वर्क पे व्हाट विल यू से?
Anil sir is real asset for our film, and we are very, very thankful. Sorry. So, and also, this is also a point to be mentioned. Anil sir, he has done a fabulous job in releasing our film all across overseas as well as Northern Belt, and he has done fabulous job. And these records wouldn't have happened without his dedication and this thing. Coming to our heroes, Allu Arjun sir. See, we have spoke about him in so many occasions, and I also want to speak about him here also in Delhi. So the work he has done, the hard work he has done, I can say no artist can do the hard work what he has done in this film. And you can't believe last climax, that thing has been shot for 32 days. Every day he used to wear a rope and with all the physiotherapists, everyone in the set. If something goes wrong, why? Because we have planned the release date and we can't miss that. And he has done 32 days continuously that fight with all the dedication and hard work. He is fabulous. He is something else. I can say that.
Wow. Big round of applause, guys. Come on. Yes, sir.
Sukumar Garu, again, he's one of the most hardworking directors in India, and he eats, drinks, sleep, everything cinema, and he worked so hard for this film that last 100 days, I think he used to sleep 2-3 hours a day, and it is all because of all his vision and everything, we're able to enjoy this feat, and he is he's a magician, that's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Man of less words but more power. Sir, the whole media is here. 1,000 crore mark achieved, and we are running successfully. So, what will be your words for the media, for the people who is loving Pushpa like anything?
Yeah, definitely that is a rarest feat, and we are very, very happy for that. And see, from now onwards, there will be many films coming in this scale and this dimension. Definitely, we will see more number of films in plus 1,000 crores and in near future. And from here, all our films, Indian films, not one industry, we'll see many films crossing 1,000 crore this thing.
But I doubt, sir, this fast, it's very tough to cross 1,000 crore in 6 days. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining in. Please, big round of applause for Ravi sir and Naveen sir. Thank you.
Films crossing 1,000 crore this thing.
But I doubt, sir, this fast. It's very tough to cross 1,000 crore in 6 days. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining in. Please, big round of applause for Ravi sir and Naveen sir. Thank you.